Simonelli, he's grabbing the last box of Prime. Box number 1 from the case. It sat there. It was the last one to get chosen. It was the last kid on the playground. It's relatively thin. Relatively thin. You got one of the SIGs in here. Alrighty, let's freaking figure this out. Number to 249, Chris Versteeg. And Ed Jovanovski. It's a Florida Panthers base box. Let's go to the back because I see it. Number to 225, Daniel Sedin, Henrik Sedin, twin. Prime combos. We're going to go to the back again. Number 299, Jonathan Blum. Prime 6. Let's go to the back again. Oh, nice. Quad Prime, numbered 50 of 50, Jonathan Toews and Duncan Keith. Quad Prime. Next, we have a Pietrangelo Crombine Oshie, numbered to 150. Numbered to 150. And it was one of the bigger rookies. Numbered 47 of 199. Quad Jersey Rookie Auto Prime Rookies. Sean Couturier. Sean Couturier. So Simonelli.